Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the 400 writing prompts. I just want to show you guys what it looks like and then I will get into talking about it. So when you are looking from the front, and also guys, I'm really sorry, I purchased this and I didn't want the price to be shown because this is not the same price everywhere, but I'll get into that a little bit later. But this is just the 400 writing prompts, and I love this because it's so simple, and like I'm a very simplistic person, so like I really do love the way this journal, it's not really a journal, it's like writing prompts, but I'll show you guys when I'm like flipping through the pages. But I love the way this is set up. It has like the little calligraphy type pen in the corner. And then guys, when I turn this over, I'm just gonna cover a part of it. It's only because it has my name on there and I'm not comfortable showing that. I just want to show you guys what the back looks like. So this is what the back looks like. As I said, it's just type of a simple, excuse my nails, I'm so sorry, but this is like what back looks like, and it's kind of simple. And as you can see, I already started drawing on it. Probably by the end of this year it's gonna have a bunch of flowers, quotes, and everything, because it wouldn't be my journal if it didn't. But yeah, so this is just what the front says. And so I just want to give a quick disclaimer, guys. As I'm flipping through this, I will be going kind of faster through some of the pages because writing writing is just very personal to me, and I'm not ready to like expose like, I don't know, my like the pieces that I've written in here, or like just the prompts. And for anybody who has ever felt like they needed like a creative space, or never felt like they had a creative space or an outlet, and they always have turned to writing and everything, I would definitely suggest this. But that's my quick disclaimer, and also my quick like reason why I really do love this product. So when you open it, it has this pen on it, which I think is really cool. So it kind of like, yeah, so that's how it looks. And I don't know if it like is supposed to fold. I don't really know what this little flat part is for. Maybe to bookmark where you've been writing. I don't know. I don't really use it for that, but yeah. And then as you can see right here, I kind of tore it. So just another quick thing, guys. If you do decide to purchase this product, be very careful, because I'm not in any way, shape, or form saying it's flimsy, but what I am saying is that the glue did not stick, and I'm not saying it's flimsy at all, but just be very gentle with it. I would like throw this in my backpack. Anytime I had a break during class, this is kind of like what I did. When I'm at the library and I just need a break, I kind of like turn to this. So just be very careful. But yeah, getting into it, right here it just says 400 writing prompts, and then it was like printed in China, and it just tells you like follow us on their social media. But I do suggest, if you guys are interested in this product, you guys should follow them on social media, because they have other cool things too. So yeah. So just getting started, the prompts are kind of set up like this. So as you can see, this one says, while at the beach you decide to write a message in a bottle. What would it say? And it said, what would it say and who would you like to find it? And so it's kind of like unique things like this. And although these are kind of like, if you fell down a rabbit hole, what do you think you find? Although it kind of has like really funny ones like that, it does have more serious ones in here. But this is how it's kind of set up, like I said before. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to go through a couple of pages. Yeah. And like I said, guys, I'm just going to be skipping through it, because if it does have my writing on it, I don't want anybody to see. But yeah. So I have had this for about, I want to say this is like my 6th or 7th month having this. And I'm gonna try to like go through it really fast. Okay, so I have written in this a lot for it to be 400 writing prompts. This journal, honestly, I keep calling it a journal, but this like prompt journal, honestly, it really makes you think in new different perspectives. And I think anybody who's a writer or who expresses their creativity with a pen or a piece of paper, something so simple, it honestly lets your thoughts flow. Because when I'm putting pen to a paper in my normal journals, it's kind of like my life and like what I think about on a daily basis. But this like prompt journal honestly gives you the push to think about other things. Like if I was in a helicopter, and it broke down, would I jump out of it, or would I help save people on the plane, like things like that. So it really helps you think, and there's very funny things in there, which I like too, because it kind of loosens up like my creative writing, which I like. And so it just really expands my thought pattern, and I really do love this journal. It's not expensive, but be very careful on which one you do purchase. The value that I got it for was very inexpensive, and so I would hate for somebody to overpay for this. So just be very cautious when if and when you do decide to purchase this. But like I said before, this is probably one of the best things that I could have ever purchased in terms of like anything that has to do with writing. I really do love this prompt journal. It's very simple, it's very me, and anybody who just loves putting a pen to a paper would love this too. And like I said before, this is just the 400 writing prompts.